How to change the color of your taskbar on Windows. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to change the color of your taskbar on Windows. Let's just get right into it. First thing first, you need to go ahead and do is open up your settings menu, then search for settings and open it up. Now once you open up settings, all you have to do here is go ahead and find an option to customize your taskbar. You can do that on the personalization tab at the left side. From here, you can find different color themes. So let's just go ahead and click on colors. Here you can choose your accent color. You can also change your dark or light mode on your device. As you can see, when I put my device into light mode, the taskbar also turns light. But what you want to do is basically select custom first, and then from here, you can choose your default Windows mode. I'll just do dark. You can choose your app's default mode. You can do that as dark as well. Make sure the transparency effect is turned on, and then you'll find accent color. Make sure this is selected to manual, and you can find different accent colors right here that you can change. You can get a hint of different accents color on your taskbar. So if I just go ahead and select a different color from here, you'll see an option down below to show your accent colors down on your taskbar. So just go ahead and toggle this on, and then you'll find the option to change your taskbar as well. That's how you basically change your color of taskbar on Windows. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll show you guys in the next one.